Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to AVS online class. So, take out your AVS book and turn page number 124. Today, we are going to start a new chapter, and that is chapter 19. And maybe this is the last chapter for our syllabus. And the lesson name is Our Friends Animal. Our Friends Animal. So, as you all know, most of the people, and maybe you also, keep the animals like dog, cat, parrot as a pet animals, no, for the pleasure, for the friendship, no, they keep no at home. So uh, you also have many friends, no, among them. So animals is also our friends. They help us in many ways. Okay, because of that, they are also friends. Okay, so here you can see in the topic only, name of the topic only, our friends animals. Animals is also our friends. Now let's start the lesson. The children in the class were startled on hearing the sound talk. The sound came from the ceiling fan. So here the children in the class were frightened by hearing the sound. Startled means frightened by hearing the sound talk. There was a sound in the class talk, and that came from the ceiling fan. You know what is fan? No, from there it came the sound. Okay, and Kalyani shouted at the time only that Kalyani shouted, "Look, look, a bird is hurt." So that Kalyani shouted, "Look, look, friends, here is a bird," and it was heard because of the ceiling fan. Because of the fan, it hurt, injured. So at the time when the Kalyani shouted like that, "Look, look, her bird is hurt," Peter got up. There was a boy in the class, so that boy Peter got up at once and got up at once to pick up that bird. Okay, that Peter picked up the bird, and that bird was in the pain because that bird was hurt by the ceiling fan. Okay, Navjot and Ali quickly brought water in a bowl. So there was a boy, two boy, Navjot and Ali quickly went and brought some water. Okay, brought water in a bowl. Okay, and the Peter lovingly patted the bird. When then Peter lovingly touched the bird with his hand. Okay, they held the bowl to the bird's beak. So they try to give the bird some water. Okay, that because of that they held the bowl to the bird's beak. So after that the bird drank a little water and slowly started flapping its wing, and after that that bird drank a little water and slowly started flapping its wing. Okay, flapping means moving its wing. Okay, Navjot told all the children to move back. So Navjot, when that bird is trying to fly, trying to move its wing, that Navjot told everyone to move back. So they noticed that the bird was trying to fly. That they noticed that bird is about to fly or trying to fly. Okay, that bird trying to fly, but trying to fly. After a while, after a few minutes, that bird flew away. Okay. So after that, what happened next day? Next day, the children saw a bird circling above them in the classroom. Next day, what happened when the all children are in the classroom? That time, bird the children saw the bird circling above the classroom. Okay, then the children tried to find out whether it was the same bird that was heard the previous day. Then children noticed, try to find out that whether that bird is the bird which was heard the previous day, no, and they find out that one is the bird which was they find yesterday heard, and they quickly switch off the fan and started to clap. They then okay, and they thought that if the fan is on, that again that bird will got hurt. So they switch off the fan and started to clap with joy. They started to clap their hand with joy by seeing that bird. Okay, now I hope you understood this. So put the sentence in the we have to put the sentences in the correct order. Okay, these sentences in jumble, so here and there, so you have to put this in order. Okay. Bird hurt itself with the fan. Number 1, Peter lovingly patted the bird. Number 2, Number 3, Navjot and Ali quickly brought water in the bowl. Number 3, the bird flew away. Number 4, the children saw a bird circling in their classroom. Number 5, you can do this in your book only. So another one, Shankar was very happy. A cat had given birth to 4 kittens in the courtyard of his house. So Shankar was a boy who was very happy because that his cat has given a birth to 4 little kittens in the courtyard of his house. In the courtyard, okay, that cat had given 4 kittens, very beautiful kittens. Okay, he started spending his free time with them. That's so Shankar started spending his leisure time or free time with them. Okay, with kittens. Okay, one morning Shankar was woken up by the cat's cry. One day when Shankar was in the bed only, that time he was wake up by hearing the cat's cry. Okay, so do you know how a cat cries? Do you know? Have you heard the sound of cat's cry? How you know? You notice that one. Okay, he ran towards the courtyard. He saw that the cat was crying and cuddling its 3 kittens. So then when he woke up by the cat's cry, Shankar went quickly towards the courtyard where the cat was there. Cat and the kittens were there. That time he saw only 3 kittens, and that mother cat was playing with that. Okay, crying and playing with its 3 kittens. There was only 3 kittens. One of the kittens was missing. So Shankar saw that one of the kitten was missing. Okay, he went outside and found Malini patting a kitten, and Shankar went for the kitten. Okay, for searching for to search the kitten. Okay, that time he found the Malini with Malini. Okay, one kitten is with Malani. That Malani is playing with that kitten. Patting means slowly touching. No, touching. That Malani is touching a kitten, playing with. So Shankar called Malani into his courtyard. So when he saw the Malani was playing with one kitten, that missing kitten, so Shankar called the Malani, okay, Malini, in his courtyard, and Malani saw the cat crying. So when Malani came in the courtyard, that time Malani saw that mother cat was crying because only 3 kittens were there. One was missing. Because of that, mother cat was crying because of that. So maybe that Malani have to return that kitten to that mother cat, right? So I hope you also understood this one. So here is the question: what do you think Malini would have done? What do you think? What do you think that Malini would have done? What Malani have done? So you have to think and you have to write. Malini would have to return the kitten to the mother cat. Malini have to return the kitten, that one kitten, to the mother cat. Maybe, no? So another one. Bholi is Menu's cow. Menu takes Bholi to the field to graze daily. So Bholi is the name of the cow, and it is a Menu's cow. Okay, it is Menu's cow. One girl's cow name was Bholi. So Menu always used to take that Bholi to the field to graze the things. Okay, daily she used to take the Bholi to the field to graze. Okay, one day a speeding scooter hit Bholi and hurt her leg. But one day when that Bholi and Menu was going to field to graze, that time that one scooter hit that Bholi, and that Bholi got hurt in its leg. Okay, in its leg. The wound was bleeding heavily. Okay, that wound that herd was bleeding heavily from the herd leg. That Voli's herd leg bleeding was wounded leg was bleeding heavily. Okay, so now a question, here is a question: what will people in Minu's family do? What after that Bolis got hurt, and from the wound there was a bleeding, and what that Minu's family do with the with that Boli? That maybe they would wash the wound of the Boli and with water and apply some medicine, right? When we will also get hurt, that time we will apply with we will wash that wound with water, and we will apply some medicine, like that only they also do with that bholi, okay, cow. So another one, Chandu Dhobi looks after his donkey very well. There was a Dhobi, okay, and his name was Chandu, and he has a donkey, okay, he has a donkey, and he looks that donkey very well, okay. The donkey too does a lot of his work, but that donkey also does lot of work for Chandu, okay. Because of that, Chandu look his donkey very well. Look at the pictures and write what are the things that Chandu does for his donkey. You can see the pictures are given here, so you have to see the pictures and you have to write what the Chandu is doing for donkey, okay. Chandu does for his donkey. You have to write. Here you can see Chandu is taking bath. No, Chandu makes her donkey to bath. Makes her donkey to bath. Okay. Number second, Chandu gives grass to eat. Chandu is giving grass. Okay, to eat. Chandu gives water to drink. Chandu is giving water to drink to his donkey. No. Chandu decorates donkey with flowers. Chandu is decorating his donkey with a flower garland. He is putting a garland, right? You have to see the picture and you have to write here what you can see. What the things that Chandu does for the donkey. You have to see and you have to write here, okay? So here is the exercise. Do you or any of your neighbors have a pet? Which one? Yes, we have, most of them keep dog as a pet. I also have a dog. What name have you given to your pet? Tommy. Okay, Tommy. What do you do when your pet is hungry? When that pet is hungry, dog is hungry, what do? We give food to eat. We give food to eat. When we feel hungry, that time we used to eat. No, that like that only. When they feel hungry, we give to eat. Feeling hot or cold, we give warm clothes to cover. If that pet is feeling cold, we give them warm clothes to cover. Or if that dog is feeling hot, we give them a bath. Teased by someone, we stop the person from teasing. We stop that person if they tease. Okay, hurt. We apply medicine on wound. Okay, if that pet got hurt, we apply medicine. We washed that hurt with water and we apply medicine, like that you have to keep, right? We keep some pet animals at home. We look after them too. In the table below are the names of such animals. Complete the table. We keep pet animals at home. No, most of them keep pet animals at home, so we look after them. No, whatever they need, we look for that. Okay, in the table you can see dog. So name of the animal which we keep as a pet, then why do we keep them? Okay, we have to give the reason why do we keep. If we keep dog, why do we keep? It takes care of our house, because it takes care of our house. Cow, it gives us milk. Horse, it pulls the cart. Ox, plow the field. Plow the fields. Hen, it gives egg. Fish, it is eaten. We can eat the fish. Rabbit, we love it. We love as a pleasure. Okay. Honeybee, it gives honey. For the reason we keep pet. Okay. So here is another bird bath. Let's see. You can see the here bowl, earthen bowl with a water. It is hanging on the branch. So if we keep like this, the bird will come and drink water, and they can also take a bath. No, take a small earthen pot having a wide mouth. You have to take a small earthen pot but with a wide mouth. You can see, no, earthen pot with a wide mouth. Tie the pot with a rope and hang it as shown in the picture. So you tie up like this and hang up like this as shown in the picture. You can see the picture. Pour some water in the pot and hang it on the branch of the tree or on a hook outside your house. You can hang on the branch of the tree or hook outside your house also. You can tie, okay, as shown in the picture. Pour water it in every day. You have to pour here in this you have to pour water in this earthen pot every day, so birds can come and have a bath or drink water. Observe which birds come to drink water. If you keep like this, you have to notice, you have to observe what kind of bird will come and they will drink water or they will have bath. You have to see, okay. Likewise, animals also need water to live. There are many other things which we required by both animals and humans. Write the names of these three such things. So, like us, like as a human being, as a people, animals also need water. No, everybody needs a living things. Everybody needs a water to live, to survive. So there are many other things which are required by both, which are need by animals and also by humans. So you have to write three things, which are the three things we required by both humans and animals: air, water, sunlight. Air, water, sunlight, food also. Water is already given here. Food also we both of us need, okay. Now second one, you must have included food in your list. You know that we eat a variety of food. Similarly, animals do eat different kinds of food. Here we have to add the food also. As the human being eat different variety of foods, different kind of food, similarly animals also take like that only, different kind of foods, variety of foods. No, have you ever fed any animals or seen anyone else feeding any animals? If yes, then fill in the blanks. Here is asking you all that, have you ever give some animals food? Have you ever fed, means give anyone or fed animals, or seen anyone or someone else feeding any animals, giving food to any animals? Have you ever seen? If yes, you have to fill in the blanks, okay. Name of the animals you fed, name of the animals you have given food to them, okay. What did you feed, what you have given, which food you have given? So dog, rice, okay. Rice they will take, no, chapati they will write. Cat, milk, we used to give them milk. Pigeon, we used to give them wheat. Cow, we used to give them grass. Parrot, we used to give them chili or grains, okay, like that. You have to do by yourself only. Which animals you have given food, you have to name that animals and what you have given, which food you have given, you have to write this side, okay. Now another, why do you feed these animals? They are hungry. Why do you feed these animals? Because they are hungry. Because of that I feed these animals. Which animals did most children feed? Cow, dog, no, dog, cat, like that. What did they feed? They feed milk. For cat they give milk. For dog they give them meat, rice and meat. Now another one, do you have these animals in your list? Find out what these animals eat. Now here is a animal list, name of the animal list. So you have to find out the food they eat, what they eat. You have to find out, okay. Rat, what they eat? They eat insects. Rat. Grains also they eat. Chapati also they eat. Grains, insects. Rat. Cockroach, insects. Pig, garbage, okay, they eat garbage. Bat, blood they eat. Crow, chapati, insects. Squirrel, nuts, grain, seed, fruits they will eat. Monkey, fruits. Spider, small insects. Lizards, mosquitoes, insects. They eat like that. You have to search and you have to write. Okay. Think, has any animals ever eaten your food against your will? How? So you have to think that, you have to imagine that any animals, or if you have animals like dog or cat, most of them, the cat will eat our food, okay, against our will. No, they will eat. If you keep something on the table, they will just come and they will eat, okay, like that. No, if you have to imagine that you have keep your food on the table, and that animal will eat that food without your will. How they will eat? You have to write. You have to um, make yourself, and you have to imagine yourself, then you have to eat. No, if we will keep the milk, a bowl of milk on the table, and we just if you are busy in talking with someone else, that time cat will come and they will drink that milk and they will go. We will not know also. No, like that. How that, like that you have to make and you have to do. Who eats what? Match by drawing lines of different colors. One example is given. You have to find out that which animals eat which. Okay, what you have to find out. Okay, which animals eat what. You have to match the things by drawing the lines. Okay, one is done for you. Goat will eat chapati, fruits, vegetables, grass they will eat. No, like that. Now mosquito and other insects, what they will eat, you have to write. Okay, now rat, what they will eat. Now one is given here, so you have to find out and you have to write. Okay, so human beings, what they will eat, they will eat chapati, fruits, vegetables, chapati. No, they will eat the goat also. No, but you will not take. Now rat, what they will eat, they will eat uh, insects. Where is the insects? They will mosquito and other insects. No, like that. You have to find out which animals eat what, and you have to match them by drawing the lines like this. Okay, one is done for you. Now write the names of the animals. Either you have to name. You have touched. Which animals you have touched? We have touched goat, cow, dog, cat. These animals we have touched. No, every day we touch them. You have not touched, but you can touch. We have not touched, but we can touch. If we find, we can touch. Like sparrow, birds. No, sparrow, parrot, rat. No, like that. Birds, we can touch them. No, you cannot touch. We can. Which animals we cannot touch? Like lizard, snake, we cannot touch. No, that, like that. Okay, we do not go near some animals for the fear that they may bite us, harm us, or eat us up. So with some animals we fear, no, that they will bite us, harm us. We will be afraid with that animals. They are snake, honeybee. No, with them we will afraid. No, will scare. Now that one is snake, honeybee, lizard. With lizard also we will feel afraid. Now another, you have seen that there are some animals whom we can touch. This often lives in our houses or around us. Other, these few animals help us in many ways. Our pets. No, some animals we touch every day, and that one is our pet, and that animals help us also, and that is pet, like cat, dog, cow. No, like that they help us and we can touch that animals. No, now last one, the queen's garden. queen garden. Read the pictures and discuss in the class. You have to see the pictures and you have to discuss. The gardener has brought mangoes from the queen's garden. Then gardener means the people who work in the garden, take care of the garden, they are called gardener. So that gardener brought mangoes from the queen's garden. That gardener was worked in the garden of the one queen. So that gardener brought mangoes from the garden. So many mangoes good. When that queen saw the mango, that queen was so happy and she told that so many mangoes good. That gardener told to that queen, your majesty, they would have been double the amount in the if the bird had not eaten them. So what the gardener told to that queen, if they would not have bird have eaten many mangoes, because of that this one is little less. If that bird have been not eaten, it will be double the amount. Okay, that gardener told that queen, what did you say? The bird have eaten the mangoes. Why did you allow the birds into the garden? That queen got angry and told to the gardener that, what did you say? The bird have eaten the mangoes. Why did you allow the birds to come inside the garden and eat the mangoes? You should take care that, no? That like that, that queen told to that gardener, please forgive me, I will not let any bird come into the garden. So gardener told to that queen, now onwards I will not let any bird to come into the garden, so forgive me this time, forgive me. From next time I will not allow any birds to come inside. Fewer mangoes than last year. Now next year, okay, fewer mangoes than last year. Why did you not stop the birds from entering the garden? Then again that next year, again that gardener brought the mangoes, and when the queen saw the mangoes, that time queen was shocked, and that queen was telling to that told to that gardener that so less mango than last year. What happened? I told you not to allow the birds to come inside to enter the garden. Why you did not stop that birds? That queen was shouting to the gardener. What gardener told? I stopped them, your majesty. I did not let a single bird enter, but this year the insect have eaten the mangoes. So that time, what gardener is telling? I stop, your majesty, queen. I stop the birds to enter the in the garden, into the garden. But this year, what happened? All the insects had eaten the mangoes. Because of that, this year is less mango than last year. Because of that, if they had been birds, then they would have eaten the insects. We would not have lost so many mangoes. So if there had been birds, if we allow the birds to enter in the garden, that bird will eat the insect, and we may have much mangoes like that. Because of that, we did not allow the birds to enter our garden, in the garden. Because of that, we lost many mangoes. So, from this we can learn, no, we should not do like that. No, we should not chase away the birds. They will help us, some in the other way they will help us. Every animal help us, so we have to take care of them. We should not chase them. Okay, we have to help every animals. Okay, as you have to take care of them. If they got hurt, we have to take care of them. Okay, I hope you understood this chapter, and this is the, I told already, this is the last chapter for the syllabus. So go through the chapter once and study at home. Okay, and do whatever I have given you the things, please do that in your fair copy. Okay, this much.